All right, good morning, everybody. We're going to be taking a look at how to create this YouTube thumbnail in Photopea for all you online learners. We're going to have to do this a little bit different than the way it worked in the Photoshop tutorial. So go ahead and go to File, go to Open, and we're going to go to, well, mine says Browse. Yours may say something different. And I'm going to open the background layer that is the picture of the beach. Next, I'm going to go to File. Oh, I don't know why we're getting image analysis. That's strange. We're going to go to File anyways. We're going to go to Open in Place, and we're going to do the same thing. And this time we're going to bring in the picture of the model. So I'm going to click her, and hopefully she will appear. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and move her over to the left. And here we're going to do away with her background. And in Photoshop, it's very, very easy to do. In Photopea, not so much. So I'm going to go ahead and click my quick selection tool. And I'm going to click, and the photo is a smart layer. So we're going to have to rasterize it. And it should give me this message: smart object must be rasterized first. Rasterize. And we want to click yes, because we want to edit it. So we're going to just go ahead and select this. And as we go, we can kind of, and I can see that it's already kind of misselected. I'm going to try to do away with certain parts. It's selecting part of it, and I'm just going to hit delete just to kind of clear this up. We'll try over here. And you can see I'm having trouble. It's basically just trying to select everything. So I'm going to just switch to my eraser, and we're just going to erase. I'm going to make my size larger. And we're just going to do some pretty rough erasing right here. And it says I have ran out of RAM. So that's not good. And so we're just going to erase. We're going to just do like a quick erase. And what you need to do here is just work your way around and completely erase this girl. Get her completely cleared up to where there is no background left. Do it a little bit better than what I'm doing. I'm just doing this for the sake of speed. So you're going to get her all cleaned up. I've already kind of messed up her elbows. Do a better job than this, please. Don't be terrible. So just kind of work your way around. Mine's also lagging a little bit, but that's okay. We don't really need elbows for yoga, right? That's not necessary. Here we go. So yeah, take your time. Do the best job you can. You may want to use the pen tool. For the sake of getting this done in a reasonable amount of time, I'm kind of going to go quick. You do want to erase this area here and this area here. Make sure you just get it all cleaned up, all really nice. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to blending options. And over here, I'm going to go to stroke, and I'm going to click it. And our image disappeared again. I'm going to change my color to, maybe nothing, because there's no colors there. That's okay. Oh, that's because I'm on blending options. I need to actually click on stroke. Make sure you click on stroke. I do that every time. So we're going to do white. Hit OK right here. Changed our color to white. Hit OK. We're going to change it. Leave it on outside. Blend mode is normal. And we're going to change the size up a few pixels. Right about there, just hit OK, and it has zoomed us out again for some reason. Not quite sure why. Let's just see if we can do that. Well, our picture's disappeared. That happens. I don't know where it went, but we'll figure it out eventually. The girl has vanished also. That's that's very strange. So, so you're going to do that. Add the white border. And the last thing you absolutely have to do, let's assume the white border is there and that my image isn't messed up. And the last thing you have to do is go back up to Open in Place, and we're going to add that last layer, yoga text. Wait for it to load. So here's the thing, guys. I'm actually having to do this on my iPad because the school doesn't actually give me a decent computer to work with. And the computers I have are actually slower and work worse than my iPad does. So I've been using the iPad. It works a little bit better than the school's computers, but it's, as you can see, it's not great, and I'm having tons of problems. Even right now, it's not loading, so I can, put this last image in. But what you want to end up with is the girl on the left with an outline and some text on the right. And when you're done, just, if you want to get creative with it and have some fun, that's perfectly okay. You can do whatever you'd like to do with it, add something else in there. It may work better on your Chromebook than it actually works on my iPad, and I'm just having all sorts of issues today. I'm going to try hitting load in place again, and we're still getting loading. So not quite sure what's going on. So I think I might have killed my iPad, so I'm going to have to stop right there, but hopefully that is enough to get you going. Do your best on this. Get it submitted. We are going to be moving on to something else besides Photoshop in another week, and so that will hopefully give us some ability to do things a little bit better. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions. William.brown@terrellisd.org. I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.